Today, so what do you like to say?
So today is Anti-Tobacco Day, and we had this 6th Goa Anti-Tobacco Film Festival uh, here in ESG, and there were all together 23 entries for this short films. What we had, uh, 13 in Goan section and 10 in national section, and this is the 6th year we're having this. It's a calendar event. It started in 2017 along with the health department, the dental department of health. And we are very grateful to the health department and our renowned surgeon, Dr. Shekhar Salkar also was here as a guest of honor. And there were 3 categories, I mean 3 prizes in the Goan section. 50,000 was the first prize, 30,000 was the second prize, and 20,000 was the third prize. And in national section, 1 lakh was the first prize, 50,000 was the second prize, and 30,000 was the third prize. Altogether 23 entries. And now Sogilyank, everyone who has participated, I really thank them. And this year the motto was, the subject is that our kids, our students should be away from this menace of tobacco. Yeah, tobacco smoking and yeah, tobacco kaun, it's the ill effects. These films were shown today, and these have to be shown in each and every school. Like इस्कोलांनी पावल्या, this menace has reached the school, especially 8th, 9th, 10th standard. आणि सगळ्या इस्कोलांनी ही फिल्मां दाखयल्ली जातली. And the drug menace in our society, everything starts with a puff म्हणटा पळय ते. फ्रेंड आपल्या एका दुसऱ्या फ्रेंडाक दिता, just have a puff, and then you are entangled in that negative energy, negative doings. एक पफाचेर चालू जाता आणि मागीर ते ड्रग्साचेर चाकून इट गोज अप टू द ड्रग्स लेवल, एंड देन ऑल युअर माउथ कॅन्सर, लंग कॅन्सर, युअर लाईफ इज स्पॉइल्ड, युअर फॅमिलीज लाईफ इज स्पॉइल्ड, यू आर डाईंग इन पेन, and you die in pain and vain, and aaki family, it's a cancer to the full family. And your child, your family who is around you also gets that smoke, and he or she is inhaling that smoke. So our request, आमच्या सरकाराचो रिक्वेस्ट, आमच्या हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंटाचो रिक्वेस्ट की say no to tobacco on this World No Tobacco Day, and save yourself and save your family. Use your energy to do something better for yourself, for your family, and for others.
Ma'am, every year awareness has been created on tobacco, but still youth consume the tobacco product. So what?
That's the films make such a positive impact on the lives of the youth. ही पिक्चरांनी पासून हे बंद करूंक जाय दाखोवपाचें. It should start from there. The ban should come from there. The youth thinks एक कोणी चिंता एक सिगरेट हातीन आसो म्हणल्यार आय एम अ youth icon कहो. It is a fashion style. It should start from there, maybe, and counseling in the school. When the teachers realize that a child is acting in a certain way, and sometimes what a child thinks that this is the way out for depression. कसले डिप्रेशन घेऊन बसल्यान म्हणून आमकांच खबर ना ही भुरगीं. आणि लायफ सपोर्ट म्हणटा ते आमी पेरंट्स आमच्या भुरग्यांक गायड देम ऑन द रायट पार्ट. एंड आमच्या गोंयांत तरी खूब बरें आहा, जस्ट टेक केअर.
टुरिझम स्टेट आशिल्ल्यान खूब कडेन आमी टुरिस्टूय अशे ओपनली सिगरेट मारता, मे बी ड्रग्सूय घेतना आमकां दिसतात. सो तुमकां दिसता की पोलिसांनी हेंचेर इन्क्वायरी बीन करूंक
जाय. and certain places have to be kept reserved so that whoever are smokers go to certain places and smoke, and not smoke openly for everybody to get your fumes.
सिटीन म्हणटा तुमी एक लोकेशन आसपाक जाय.
Sitin, even on beaches.
ओके.
Beach is a public place where everybody comes. A small baby comes, everybody comes. And why should she or he inhale the smoke of the smoker. Some places have to be allotted by the tourism department. Baba, tuisoro asadani smoke korat, if at all, but not your smoke should not be taken by everybody, whoever in public places. This should be our motto. At last, implementation is what counts. नाल्यार आमी पिक्चरात करूंक वयतले आनी असली इव्हेंटात करूंक वतली. What is about the implementation? Our tourism department should earmark certain places on the beaches, in public places. You all go there and smoke. If you all are found smoking openly, ते कोण टुरिस्ट पुलीस असतात नाल्यार कितें असता तांकां फायन घालपाचे. You cannot. There should be certain measures taken strictly. Otherwise, this is it becomes.
Ma'am, I have one more